Okay, we're making milk here. Everything's nice and clean. I cleaned her up. Can was cleaned twice. And then we're going to take in a gown and make mozzarella cheese tonight. So I'm excited. We should have another calf here tonight or tomorrow, and it should have been here last night. I thought when she was going into labor, but could have been false labor, but she's definitely big enough to drop a calf now. So we put fresh sawdust down, and I'll watch it so it don't fall down. But so you put the milk on and take it off and get her ready. It's right around 5 minutes, give or take. Pumps running in the background there. Once it stops flowing here a little bit, you've got to kind of get a good idea when she's done, and then we'll put the teat dip on, and she's ready to go. We might take her out tomorrow for a walk a little bit, just kind of see what she wants to do. What do you say, girl? Are you a happy cow or just an angry cow? Anyway.